Good day, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about normal distribution. So I'll share my computer screen with you. Suppose that the average number of hours that a laptop is used for entertainment is 2 hours per day with a standard deviation of 0.5 hours. Assume that the times the laptop is used for entertainment purposes is normally distributed. Part A, find the probability that a person uses laptop for entertainment is between 6.5 and 6.8 and 27.5 hours. It wouldn't be 27, it should be 21.5 hours and not 24 hours in the whole thing. So it should be whole day. So 6.8 and actually this is 1.8 and 2.75. So let me erase this and make it correct. So this is and between 1.8 and 2.75 hours. That is the actual question. And then part B, find the maximum number of hours that the bottom quartile of laptop users use the laptop for entertainment. Part C, this should be find. So find the middle 90% of laptop users use the laptop for entertainment between which two values? Okay, which two values of hours? So let me clarify that also. We don't need the find. So this will be question. The middle 50% of laptop users use the laptop for entertainment between which two values of hours? And part D, find the 70th percentile in hours used by laptop users for entertainment. So, okay. So we will draw a diagram. The mean is 2 with a standard deviation of 0.5, so something like this. Normal distribution, approximate bell-shaped curve. The position on the horizontal axis where the peak is the maximum is the mean. So the mean is 2 and sigma is 0.5. Part A asks us between 1.8, so 1.8 is less than 2, it will be somewhere over here. And so we draw a vertical line. This position is 1.8 and 2.75. Okay, a little bit more on this side, so maybe over here. And we draw another vertical line. So this is 2.75, whereas this one is 1.8. And we want to find this area. So find the probability that the random variable x, which is the number of hours laptop users use the laptop for entertainment purposes, is between 1.8 and 2.75. Okay. So because this is a bell-shaped curve, we will use the keys in TI-84. So the first key we will press is the second key, then the worst key, then we scroll down with the down arrow key to normal CDF and normal CDF and enter. Press enter. Okay, if I may erase this. Normal CDF and enter. So now I go back here. Okay. So second verse, scroll down to normal CDF, which is number 2, the lower. Okay. So first it asks for lower. This is the lower boundary. Well, our lower is 1.8. So type in 1.8 after the colon in the lower. The upper is 2.75. So type in 2.75. The mean is 2 and the standard deviation is 0.5. So mean mu is 2 and sigma is 0.5. You bring the cursor, the black rectangle on paste, and whenever you are on paste, remember you have to hit enter twice. Enter and enter. So bring the cursor on paste, enter and enter. And the answer is 0.589, you might say. So there's a 58.9% probability that a laptop user will use the laptop for entertainment between 1.8 and 2.75. 58.9% probability. Okay, so now I'll create some space for myself. Move this a little bit up. Part B. So part B. Part B. Find the maximum number of hours that the bottom quartile of laptop users use the laptop for entertainment. So if I may want to correct this, just so that you can read, use, this is use the laptop for entertainment. Okay. Okay. So let me draw a diagram for part B. Okay. Not a very good drawing, but anyway, you get the picture. Bottom 25%, we always start from the left. So bottom 2% means we draw a vertical line such that the area below it, this area, bottom quartile means area is 0.25. We know mu is equal to 2, sigma is equal to 0.5. What we do not know is this x value. What is this? We don't know. This particular x value. And mu is 2. Okay. So we do not know the x value below which 25% area under the curve. So part B, to find the unknown value of the random variable x, which is number of hours, below which 25%, below which the area under the curve, is 0.25. We cannot use second verse 2, which is normal CDF. In this case, we will have to use, means we know the area, but we do not know the unknown x. We use second, then verse key again, and then we scroll down to in noun, which is number 3. Okay, so second verse, and then we scroll down to number 3, which is in norm, and hit enter. Now it asks for area. So type area, which we know below that x is 0.25, type 0.25. Mean mu type 2, sigma type 0.5, 0.5. And then go to pest and hit enter and enter. Enter and enter. And the space is automatically created for me. So I just need to erase this. Enter, enter and enter. And at the same time, I'll move this a little bit up so that enter and enter. Whenever we are on pest, we have to enter twice. So enter and then enter. And the answer is x is 1.66. So the answer to part B. So maximum number of hours, maximum number of hours watched by bottom 25, watched by bottom 25% is 1.66. So that's your answer. Okay. And here it was 0.589 was your answer. Part C, the middle 50% of the laptop users use the laptop for entertainment between which two values of hours? Okay. So I have to create some space here. Okay, part C, middle 50%. So if you draw the bell-shaped curve, this is mu is equal to 2, sigma is equal to 0.5. Middle 50%, you draw two vertical lines, middle 50%. So this is your middle 50% area. Okay. So we do not know this x1 value and we do not know this x2 value. But we know this area because of symmetric nature of the bell-shaped curve. This area is 25% on the right of the mean, 25%, and on the left of the mean is also 25%. Further, we know area in each half is equal to 25%. So if this from the center to this unknown x1 is 25%, then the remaining area in the left half area is also 25% is equal to 0.25. And the reason is the total area in the left half is 0.5 because of the symmetry of the bell-shaped curve, out of which 25% is between x1 and the mean. So the area to the left of x1 is 0.25. So to find x1, what do we do? Second verse, then we scroll down to in norm. Okay. Area is 0.25, mu is 2, and sigma is 0.5. Then paste, enter and enter. Enter and enter. and enter. Of course, we did this in part B already anyways. So this is x1 will come out as 1.66. So this x1 is 1.66 because the area below it is. How will you find x2? Okay, to find x2, area under the curve to the left of, always we are interested in the area to the left of the unknown, under the curve to the left of x2 is 0.5 for the left half plus 0.25 between the mean and x2. So 0.5 plus 0.25 is 0.75. Okay. Then again we go to second verse, scroll down to in norm. Now the area is 0.75 and mu is 2, sigma is 0.5, paste and paste. So second verse in norm, area is now 0.75, mean and standard deviation do not change, paste, enter and enter, and x2 value. If I create some more space. Okay, this may be too much space I do. So x2 so x2 x2 is 2.34. 2.34. So x1 is 1.66 and x2 is 2.34. So answer to part C is between 1.66 and 2.34, the middle 50% of laptop users will fall. And that means the middle 50% use between 1.66 and 2.34 hours of entertainment. Use the laptop for entertainment. Okay. Then we go to part D, which asks to find the 70th percentile. Okay, so I will create some space. Okay, part D to find the 70th percentile. Find the 70th percentile. What does it mean? We want to find the maximum. We want to find maximum value, maximum time watched by the 70% of the people. of the people. So we draw the diagram. Mu is 2, sigma is 0.5. 70% means this half is 0.5. We always start from the left. 70% is 0.7, so we have to go another 0.2 and draw the line. So this area, we have to find the x below which total area. Find x below which total area under the curve is 0.7. So again, use the in-norm function. Use in-norm function. Use in-norm function. So in-norm function. So area now is 0.7. Mu does not change. 2. Sigma also does not change. 0.5. Paste and paste. Enter and enter. Paste. Enter and enter. Okay. So second verse 3. Area is 0.7 now. Okay. And mean is 2. Standard deviation is 0.5. Paste. Enter and enter. And that answer, this value of x is 2.26. So what does it mean? 70% of the people use laptop for maximum of 2.26 hours. Okay. So I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you like this video, please let your friends know about it so that you and your friends can subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. Again, I will see you next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.